Basics of vices. In this video, we'll describe the various parts of a vise and identify the height of stock in the use of parallels. A vise is one of the most common ways to hold stock to be machined in a mill. There are many variations out there, but at the end of the day, they all do the same thing: hold your stock to be machined. Let's take a minute to talk about some parts of a vise and some basics surrounding the use and maintenance of them. The main parts we want to understand will be the fixed jaw, the floating jaw, and the screw and handle. We also want to talk a bit about parallels that get our stock to the correct height and stops that help us position the part accurately. When setting up a coordinate system in a machine, referred to commonly just as G54, we will generally reference the back left corner of the part as it sits against the fixed jaw. CNC machines can repeat toolpaths with great accuracy, but if it doesn't have a good reference, it really won't matter. Parallels are used to help provide a raised surface for stock to rest on so that a tool has adequate clearance to machine. And parallels come in different heights and styles, such as ones that snap into the jaws of a vise. We could also create custom soft jaws that will replace these hardened jaws and hold parts with complex shapes. The handle on the vise will move the sliding or floating jaw in to clamp our part. And now that we've seen and can identify the basics of a vise, let's move on to how a vise relates to a vertical CNC mill.